Good morning, guys. So, welcome to another vlog on this channel. I am currently in Dubai. I arrived here last night. It is currently 5 to 2 in the afternoon. First of all, I just want to start off by saying thank you so much for the support on my first vlog. I really wasn't expecting it. I've had a lot of people message me saying that, it's nice to see that I'm doing what I've always wanted to do and, I'm enjoying my job and things like that. It's been really nice, so thank you. So yeah, I'm currently in Dubai at the minute. I worked the flight out yesterday. It was about a 6.5 hour flight. We were on the A380 aircraft. It was my first time on the 380 aircraft and I loved it. It was amazing. So yeah, I'm in my hotel room at the minute. I have something booked with the crew, so I'm meeting them at 2:30. So I'm gonna jump in the shower and get ready. I might also, I've brought a pot noodle kind of thing, so I might have this if I get the time to. Cause where we're going, I'm not sure. It says there's food provided, but I'm not sure what time you get food, and I haven't eaten anything today, so I'm gonna have that while I get ready. But yeah, I'm gonna jump in the shower and then I'll let you know where I am. So I have now been in the shower. I still need to sort my hair out. I've just dried it, but I need to kind of comb it and spray it a bit. Mine's went blank. So basically what I'm getting up to today is I have booked the desert safari with some of the crew. So we have to get an Uber from the hotel to the pickup point. And then the driver comes and picks us up. We get in a 4x4 Jeep or Range Rover, something like that. And we drive out to the desert in the middle of Dubai. And we go driving on the sand dunes. You can ride camels. You can go sand dune surfing, so like snowboarding but on sand dunes. You get given food. There's like kind of like a club in the middle of the desert. There's loads to do. And normally if we were to book this through the hotel, it would cost about £40. We managed to get it through Groupon for 15, so it's a bargain. So yeah, I'm in the middle of getting ready for that. The balcony outside is closed, so will let me go out to give you a view, so I'll have to show you once I actually leave the hotel. It is 38 degrees in Dubai. I've never experienced heat like that ever. I haven't stepped outside at all today. When we arrived last night, I think it was about 28, 29. Didn't feel like it because it was night time, so it just felt really humid. But it doesn't look sunny as well, but apparently during the day, especially when the sun starts in the desert, apparently it's really hot and can be quite unbearable at times. But regardless, I'm looking forward to it. So I'm kind of just wearing these shorts that go just above the knee. You see, I've heard that they don't like knees being on display. That's my little trainer socks. But we're gonna have to say. And then I'm just wearing this t-shirt that says Laguana on it. So I'm gonna brush my teeth, finish my hair, put some sun cream on. Finish getting ready. Go downstairs like 5 minutes early before meeting the rest of the crew to pay my room bill because I got room service last night. And then I will meet the girls and I'll vlog. I'm gonna vlog so much today. I don't have a GoPro or anything, but it should be fine using my phone. Don't say why it wouldn't be. Also, one thing which I don't believe I've mentioned so far is tonight, because I worked the flight over, and the flight over was an A380, that takes 22 crew. Whereas on the way back tonight, it's a 777 aircraft, the same one I flew on to Atlanta, and that one only takes like 11 crew. So half of the crew are travelling back as passengers tonight, and I happen to be the lucky one chosen and travelling back as a passenger. So basically, what we call that positioning. It's lovely knowing that I just had to work the flight out. I get to spend a whole day in Dubai, and then travel back as a passenger at night, and I get to sleep. So on the plane and get food. So it's gonna be a lovely day. But yeah, I'm gonna finish getting ready now. Okay, struggles. Do I put a bit of concealer on to cover my spot, especially this one, if I'm going to be getting Instagram photos? But then at the same time, it's just going to melt into my skin, especially if I've got sun cream on. Why is life hard? I'll show you my new sunglasses that I got. So I got these new Polaroid ones. I'm so awkward when it comes to getting glasses, because I'm like, that doesn't fit the shape of my face. These ones do, but then I don't like the colour, this and that. These ones I found perfect. They were reduced from £65 down to 20 in the sale. Bargain. So I got those. That's all I got. I don't know why I'm acting like I got more. That's all I got. So yeah. Also, I don't know whether to take my passport out with me, whether they'll need it as ID, but then I don't want to risk losing it. Look at this hotel. It's absolutely amazing. I'm going down now to meet the crew. I'll meet 2 of them, because I think 4 of them have already went to the pickup point to get food beforehand. Got my bottle of water ready. It's gonna be hot. Got my sun cream on, brought my sun cream with me. desert, just been riding some camels. So, been on the camels, been on the sand some of the girls have just been club biking, and I think we're going to head into the camp soon and get some food. It's absolutely amazing. So guys, I'm back at my hotel and all ready for the flight home. As you can see from the previous clips, today has been absolutely amazing. Like, surreal at the same time. Like, we went to the desert, we went in a 4x4 and we drove crazy on the sand dunes, we rode camels, sand dune surfing, lots of pictures, food, I think it was like a show. It was amazing. It was about 5 or 6 hour trip. Got back for about 9 o'clock and all that was £15. It was absolutely amazing. So definitely, if you're visiting Dubai anytime soon, definitely recommend it. So yeah, I came back to the room, well, I came back to the hotel, paid off my room bill, came back upstairs. I've literally chilled. I had a video call with my mum, see how she was doing, and I've chilled, went in the shower, got ready. Like I said earlier, I'm traveling back as a passenger at night along with 10 of the crew. So you know, I'm lucky enough to sleep on the plane and just be dined as a normal passenger would. But like I said, Dubai are quite strict with our laws and rules. So I still have to wear my uniform going through the airport and checking in and things like that, because my ticket is waiting for me at the airport. And then once I get on board the plane, I can swap over into normal clothes. But then for landing again at Heathrow, I have to switch back over into these clothes. Then when I get back to Heathrow, I'm going to go through flight connections tunnel instead of customs, because I've booked my flight to Newcastle. So I'll be back in Newcastle for probably about 10, 11. I've booked the 7 o'clock flight back home to Newcastle. We land at 6:10. So I might be cutting it a bit fine. Worst case scenario, if I miss that flight, I'll get put on the next one, which is at 5 to 10, which is only waiting like 2.5 hours. So I could get some breakfast and things like that in Terminal 5. But yeah, I'm going to go downstairs in a second and meet the crew. The coach journey shouldn't be far to the airport at all. And yeah. As you can see from that last clip, I, got back to Newcastle. It's like a day later. I forgot to vlog yesterday because I was so tired. But yeah, I had such an amazing time in Dubai. Obviously, I'm home at the minute in Newcastle. I got my flight back, and obviously I travelled back as a passenger from Dubai, and it was amazing. And I was going to vlog it, but then with it being a night flight and we took off at 1:30 in the morning, everyone around me was going to sleep, and I was sitting next to a colleague who was asleep. And I after my meal, I went to sleep for pretty much most of the flight. So did want to wake anyone up and be that one to annoy people. But yeah, got back, I've just been chilling. You know, standard stuff. I'm doing my washing, ironing, getting ready to go back down to London. My next trip is Toronto, which I go to on Thursday. I'm not sure whether I'm going to vlog this trip because I haven't planned or booked anything to do so far. But I think I will vlog it. I don't know. I'll decide. I'll see. Don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it and comment. All the normal shebang, and most importantly subscribe. And I will see you in my next travels and adventures. Whatever I get up to. I'm going to sleep for about 24 hours now because I'm so tired. And hungover. Joys. Good night.